Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you're having a great day. Today, I'm making strawberry vanilla jam. This strawberry vanilla jam is not cooked. It's the kind of jam you place in the freezer and have it there for up to a year. I know because I've done it before. This strawberry vanilla jam is absolutely delicious, packed with flavor and pieces of fruit. It goes deliciously on bread, put it on ice cream, and you can even add it to your waffles or pancakes. It's simply amazing. Can't wait to show you how I make this, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. First, you will need 2 pounds of fresh, firm, and ripe strawberries. Remove the stem and cut the strawberries into smaller pieces. This will help in making it easier to crush the strawberries. You will need 4 cups of it. I am using a dry measuring cup to get the exact amount. Then transfer the strawberries into a large bowl. These strawberries were so tasty. Wish I had some now. Anyway, to crush the strawberries, I decided to use a potato masher. Let's add the vanilla to the crushed strawberries. You may use 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, but I find using 1 packet of vanillina gives the jam a wonderful vanilla flavor and aroma. Add the vanillina or extract and stir. At this point, I decided to transfer the strawberries into a larger container as the bowl I was using was too small. Now add 4 cups of granulated sugar. It is a lot of sugar, but keep in mind that we usually use 1 to 2 tablespoons of jam on our bread. Well, maybe 3, but you get the hint. Use the full amount of sugar or the jam will not set properly. Stir well and let it stand for 10 minutes. Stir twice during the 10 minutes. Now let's make the pectin mixture. Pectin is a polysaccharide that is extracted from the cell walls of plants and fruits. This is what causes the jelly or jam to thicken. In a small pot, add 3/4 cup of water and 1 packet of pectin. This is the one I am using, Sure Gel. Stir and bring the mixture to a boil on high heat, stirring constantly. When it begins to boil, boil the mixture for 1 minute, stirring constantly. I use a timer for this step. Sorry for the video being out of focus. Immediately add the pectin mixture to the strawberries and stir constantly for 3 minutes. You want the sugar to completely dissolve. Some of the sugar might remain, and that's okay. Immediately pour the mixture into jars. I am using 1/2 pint mason jars. I have washed the jars and lids thoroughly. Since this jam is for the freezer, I won't need to use a canner for long-term storage. Fill each jar, leaving a 1/2 inch space at the top. This will give the jam enough room to expand during freezing. After filling the jars, clean rims and sides of each jar to make sure there's no jam on them. Cover and place them in an area where they won't be bothered for 24 hours at room temperature so that they may set. I find it that the best place to have them set for 24 hours is on top of my refrigerator. After 24 hours, you may place them in the freezer for up to 1 year or in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. And remember to label your jars. Okay guys, let's try the strawberry vanilla jam. So good. You could taste the vanilla, not too strong. You could still taste the strawberries coming through. Love the pieces of strawberries that are there in this jam. Oh, it is so good. This will be amazing in a peanut butter sandwich. Peanut butter and the strawberry vanilla jam. That's gonna be amazing. Also on waffles, put it on top instead of maple syrup with some butter and this strawberry vanilla jam. Excellent. Well guys, I hope you give the strawberry vanilla jam a try. You are going to love it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And remember to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to watch our simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.